We are all in the gutter, but some of us are looking at the stars. Oscar Wilde. There are people in the world, when they fall down, they blame their rulers or they blame all the people around them. So they become the victim. So these are the people who are in gutters. The other type of people who are rare, like Viktor Frankl, who wrote the book Man's Search for Meaning. They always trying to find the beauty even in the most horrible circumstances. Viktor Frankl said, "Everything can be taken from a man, but one thing, the last of the human freedom, to choose one's attitude in any given set of circumstances, to choose one's own way." Here, in another way, Dr. Frankl said, when we are no longer able to change a situation, we are challenged to change ourselves.